Hey, what's going on, guys? Nintendo just dropped the latest system software update for both Nintendo Switch 2 and the original Nintendo Switch, and the patch notes are about as straightforward as it gets. The new update is version 22.1.0, and according to Nintendo's official support pages, it released on April 6, 2026. And honestly, the notes are exactly what you would expect from a quiet firmware release like this. Nintendo says the update brings general system stability improvements to enhance the user's experience, and that is the full official note for both systems. There are no extra feature drops listed, no flashy interface changes, and no new functions called out in the release details. That might sound a little plain at first, but these kinds of updates still matter because they usually focus on smoothing out background issues, tightening up system behavior, and making the console feel a little more reliable in daily use. So even though this is not the kind of patch that comes with a giant list of new additions, it is still the sort of update you will want installed if you are trying to keep your console running as cleanly as possible. What makes this one interesting is that Nintendo pushed it out for both the new hardware and the older Switch at the same time, which keeps the firmware situation nice and simple across the family of systems. In other words, if you see the update waiting on your console, this is not one of those mysterious patches you need to stress over. It is just Nintendo doing a routine stability pass and keeping things moving behind the scenes. So yeah, that is the full story here. The newest update is live, the official notes are brief, and the message from Nintendo is basically that things should feel more stable after installing it.